Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this edible bouquet and it is so pretty and really easy to make. I'm sure this will be super surprising to give as a present. First of all, let's cut a lime. Then each half you can wrap it with a plastic. Then in each half, add 2 sticks. Then use 1 broccoli and in each piece of broccoli, stick a stick. If it's really big, add 2 sticks. Then get some red peppers and add again the sticks. Let's do the bouquet. You should be wrapping all your sticks together and in a way so you don't see the sticks. Like this. Then, when it's a little bit done, let's do the second thing. Each piece of broccoli and pepper, you're displaying it in the same height. And then add some leaves or flowers, anything you like. We're gonna wrap this bouquet in a kraft wrapper. You can fold it this way or any way you like. Then you just take the paper and stick it together. Use another one and another one. I used 3 papers of these. Then on the bottom part you use another part of the paper and a little bit of wire or any cloth. This looks amazing. I'm sure this would be a lovely present to give. This is really original. I hope you like this DIY to make at home. It's really easy. So if you liked it, give me a like and follow my channel so you don't forget to watch any of my videos. Thank you for watching again.